I think I want to film my life some more. Gusto kong like i-video yung buhay ko ng paunti-unti ulit. Like, siguro mga ganito. Sasalita lang ako kung ano-anong lumalabas sa screen. Ganyan lang. Pero, I don't wanna make it like a pressure. Gusto ko lang i-video yung sarili ko. Nagsasalita lang ako. Gusto ko lang mag-discuss ng mga topic. Gusto ko lang magsabi ng kung ano-ano. And in some way, ginagawa ko na yun for the past videos ko. Pero, ayun eh. There's something like special about filming a video about my life without really like thinking about the context. Ito talaga gusto kong magbasa ulit ng libro kaya tinatry kong i-incorporate ulit yung Kindle sa buhay ko. And wala, gusto ko lang magbasa ulit ng libro, gusto kong makatapos ng libro, gusto kong magbasa ng stories and all of that. Sorry sa makalat na kwarto, pero ayun eh. Gusto ko lang i-video yung buhay ko. If that makes sense. Ayun lang. And I think with all this, I can just be creative. I don't have anything planned. Ayoko magplano ng kahit ano. Ayoko mag-isip ng, iba't ibang camera angles. Ano yung mas maganda? Ano yung mga ganito? Ano yung cinematography? Ano yung ganito? Pero, if it gets in the way of my life, hindi ko siya gagawin. Okay? Yun yung rule ko. I want to film my life, but I don't want it to be my life. If that makes sense. Meron din ako ng Digicam. Binili ko sa online, which is second hand lang. And ito is like everyday use ko. Ginagamit ko na to like pang pictures, pang video. Well, not necessarily pang video. Unti lang yung storage ng pag-video. Pero ang ganda ng quality niya. And yeah, there's something like good about like having a Digicam again. Kasi wala, I grew up with this stuff. So, ayun lang. Ngayong video na to siguro kung ano lang ginagawa ko sa kwarto. Ayun, naglalaro ako ng games. Nagbabasa ako ng libro. Kung ano-ano. I guess, I don't want to say na ito yung start ng journey kasi baka ito lang ang video na gawin ko to. Or, we'll see in the future. Ayokong mag-jinx, ayokong magplano ng kahit ano. Again, gusto ko lang i-video yung buhay ko. If this comes to anything, then good. If walang mangyayari tungkol dito, then that's it. Everyday camera ko to. Pero hindi ako dito mag-video, dito lang sa phone. Kasi tinatamad ako kapag galing dito yung video. For some reason, tinatamad ako pag galing sa camera yung video. So, yeah. That's just how life works. You do one thing, gusto mong gawin siya, and you feel like it's purposeful, you feel like you're doing something good, then that's good. If walang patutunguhan to, then that's good as well. Ayokong i-pressure sarili ko, ayokong i-pressure na, I want to video, I want to edit, I want to ganito, ganyan. No, this is just a video for myself. If I abandon this whole idea, then okay then. Okay? Yun lang. I hope everyone is doing better than me. I hope everyone is happier. I hope everyone to just live life. That's all. Bye-bye.